Welcome back, everyone. As we start taking another look at this assembly, we've already completed a portion of the assembly. We have the slider can now be pulled out, and we also have our little attachment. Now we have to work on our next step, which is to get this pin and this piece of the attachment to connect, so we'll be able to get everything together. Now, one of the first things we're going to do is I'm going to come in here with the pin and move it closer. So we're going to go to a top side view so I can get a good idea of where these are going to be. I'm going to grab the pin and I'm going to drag it over here. And I notice that one of the issues I'm going to have with the pin is it's facing the wrong direction. So I'm going to go ahead and change that orientation. And I'm going to go to a side view so that I'll be able to get a much better look again at kind of what this is going to need to do to line up. So it's almost there, which is okay. I don't necessarily need it too close, just about right. So we're going to go ahead and move in on this. And one of the things I needed to do is attach to that inside corner here. Now, it's still not quite in the right position. I need to be facing the other way. So I'm going to go to a front side view. And again, I'm going to grab this and I'm going to rotate it all the way around so it's facing the opposite direction. And we'll go ahead and move this over here. Now, I needed to attach to the inside, but I also need to be able to revolve as it goes through here. We need to use a cylindrical mate. So what we're going to do is we're going to choose our cylindrical mate, click on the edge here, and we're going to kind of swing around and click on this point, and this will get them to mate for us. So now they're connected, which is what we want. So these have now been connected. I see this will move in and out. Now I have to get this to meet with a revolute mate on the interior. So I'm going to go to our revolute mate. We're going to click on the that's the wrong thing. We're going to click on the edge right here, and then we're going to come around and click on that interior piece. Let's get ourselves into a usable view here, and we're just going to kind of roll around until we can see that interior. And check. Now, if you notice, this still lines up with our pin. It's just not inside where we want it. We want it to be over here. So it's not quite doing what we want to do. Well, I can fix that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a planar mate. I'm going to select this face, and then we're going to select this face here. And check. And what that's done is it's connected it on this face while keeping it actually on the pin. So it's now going to move around with everything, which is what we want. We want that to move around correctly. And this will revolve for us. So you can see it kind of moving around there as everything moves. So we've got ourselves in a position now where things are able to actually connect and revolve as we would want them to. We've now got the pin and this bottom piece of the mater connector inserted. In our next video, we'll look at how to create the rest of the attachments.